Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this wall art using the simplest form of string art technique because it is my first time doing this, and I've also made a bunch of flowers just to add some dimension and color to this. Now with string art, you can go as simple or as complex as you want it to be, and since this is my first time doing it, I've decided to go with this very simple template and using the simplest form of string art technique that I know. So whatever I'm using today for this particular piece are things that you can easily find around your house, and even if you need to buy some of them, they won't cost you that much. So for this piece that I'm making, I'll be using this scrap plywood which I found in our shed, and I just washed it, cleaned it, and then applied some touch wood on it. And besides this, you will also need some nails, hammer or anything to substitute a hammer, yarn, glue gun, or you can even use a fabric glue. So I've already painted my plywood a few weeks ago, and you can use any color that you want, and even for the wood you can use any shape, size or any type of wood that you can find around the house. Now for the next step, you only need to draw a template on a blank piece of paper. So I've drawn this template earlier today, and I've made sure that I've marked points all around the outline where the nails are supposed to go. So I'm trying to take this step nice and slow because if I make any mistake, it's gonna just take more time to redo it. So all I'm doing is nailing along the outline. Now that I have this outline, all I need to do is wrap this yarn all around each nail. So this is the first layer of the yarn, and what I'll be doing is pushing the entire outline to the base of the nails. So for the second layer, I'll be using the same yarn without cutting it and just randomly wrap around each nail, keeping in mind the design that I want. So for the third layer, I'll be repeating the step 1, and that is wrapping around the outline of this mason jar and making sure that the yarn is at the head of these nails. It's better not to talk at all. So for this remaining part, I'll be repeating the same steps that I did here, and the only difference will be the reverse string art, which you will be seeing in this portion, and I'll also be using 2 yarns to add a dash of color. For the flowers, you'll be needing some ribbons, needle and thread, scissors, wire, lighter, or you can even use a candle, glue gun, and a green or brown tape. So I guess that's it for today, guys. Do let me know what you think of this video in the comment section below, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.